Hello, my name is Patricia Kopp. I work as a product manager in the business development for vacuum components at Schmalz. Today I'm going to show you how to program a vacuum switch of type VSVD. Electronic vacuum switches are for system monitoring of vacuum systems. Vacuum switches can optimize cycle times and regulation circuits of vacuum systems to increase efficiency. Vacuum switches are used in all areas of automated handling. The vacuum switch of type VSVD is delivered with preset values. These values are common values in vacuum systems. The settings of the vacuum switch have to be adjusted to process requirements and workpiece conditions to guarantee a process reliable and efficient handling. Now we can start to program the vacuum switch type VSVD. Please connect the vacuum switch with the power supply. After connecting the power supply, the display shows the preset values. Please do not push any button when connecting the power supply. Now we can do the 0-point adjustment. Adjust the 0 point only when the vacuum or pressure line is not connected. To adjust the 0 point, press the mode button for at least 3 seconds. If the switch was wrongly programmed, it can be set back into factory settings. All stored values are cleared. To accomplish this function, disconnect the switch from the power supply. While pushing the mode button and the up button, connect the power supply again. After connecting the power supply, the display shows CLA. When you release the buttons, the preset pressure unit is displayed. When pushing the mode button one time, the selected pressure unit is confirmed and stored. Now we can adjust the output configuration NO or NC and the pressure unit. To adjust the output configuration and the pressure unit, push and hold the menu button, then push the up button. The display is alternating between output 1 and NO. To change the settings, push up or down button. Store the setting with the mode button. Now the display switches to the selection of output 2. To change the settings, push the up or down button and store the settings with the mode button. Now the display switches to the selection of the pressure unit. To change the settings, push the up or down button and store the settings with the mode button. Now we can adjust the operating modes. The VSVD can be operated in 2 different operating modes. Each output can be adjusted to one of the operating modes independently. Hysteresis mode settings are switching point H and hysteresis little h. Comparator mode settings are lower margin A and upper margin B. For output 1, we use the hysteresis mode. To select output 1, push the mode button 2 times. After 2 seconds, the display is alternating between output 1 and the pre-adjusted operating mode. Push the up or down button to select the hysteresis mode. Store the setting with the mode button. To select the switching point of output 1, push the mode button 1 time. After 2 seconds, the display is alternating between H1 and the pre-adjusted value. To adjust the switching point, push the up or down button until the desired value is displayed. Store the settings with the mode button. Now the display switches to the selection of the hysteresis. The display is alternating between H1 and the pre-adjusted value. To adjust the value, push the up or down button until the desired value is displayed. Store the setting with the mode button. After programming the vacuum switch successfully, you can lock all adjusted values to save them from unintended change. While pushing the mode button, push the down button. The switch is locked, which means that the set values can't be changed. On the display appears lock, so the switch is locked. Further information can be found in the operating instructions. Now you know how to program a vacuum switch of type VSVD. Thank you very much for your attention. Further information can be found at www.schmalz.com.